I'm Josh Stewart, Senior Superintendent, Layton Construction, Residential College C. This is the site visit. This is the great room, 13-foot tall wainscot all around the job. It'll be radius panels on the corners. We're trying to prefab a lot of this room. It's radiuses, pretty intricate panels. We scanned the rough openings, determined that we can really just build a box on the back of it with all the radius coming off the front. I did most of the 360 photos for slabs. We do have interns/project engineers doing progress photos every single room once a week. We thought we lost a conduit through here. It was pretty important because, you know, getting up and over is a whole lot of work. I mean, it ran through somewhere right here, and I was able to 360 photo when I was in this general area. Electrician and I, we found, yep, that's the one, that's the one. We followed it to where we couldn't see it anymore, and then I had taken another picture over there. I was able to kind of swing back around, cross-reference where it was coming from, pick it up over there, and we've used it pretty constantly. Okay, the roofs are complex. They're 14-12 pitch, all of the roofs on these jobs, and they're super intricate. I mean, you've got like this roof that is dying into a vertical wall that's got a lot of detail that needs to happen to keep water from coming down in the building. So using DroneDeploy in trade coordination meetings is super cool. Not a whole lot of people want to go and climb around on a 14-12 roof. You know, I don't have the time over the course of the day to run back into the office, get my harness on, get my retractable, get up there, tie on a lifeline, go out, especially in meetings where we can't bring everybody up there to say, you know, we need to be here, need to be here.
Yeah, I would say the biggest use case that we have for the reality capture is communication. Communication with the university, communication with the students. We were essentially sharing our construction site with the students. Every day was different. Every day we had to block off a different area and they had to find a different path to class. And instead of just leaving them out to dry, we really worked hard to set up a dedicated website to communicate what was happening on any given day, what the schedule was going to be, what kind of activities they can expect, and pathways that they can take to get in and around class and campus.
All right, thanks for hanging out with us today. Hope you learned a little bit about the way we do things. Residential College C.